Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You need the basics, level 700 or higher, a free devil fruit slot, and enough bully to buy or trade. Start by farming sea beasts and island spawns for drops, and grind boss cycles for currency. Once you hit the level and have funds, check spawn timers and world activity. Teleport to crowded servers to increase chances. Make sure to equip high mobility gear so you can react to spawns quickly and coordinate with teammates to secure the art. Now you execute. Monitor spawn windows and join high population servers just before the expected time. Use decoys or bait to pull other players away, then stealth in with speed boosts or fruit mobility. Once the Sanguine Art appears, focus damage to meet its health threshold. You must be among the final hitters to trigger the drop. Communicate with voice or quick chat to synchronize burst damage. This prevents kill steals and finish by instantly picking up and equipping the Sanguine Art. Verify it is bound in your inventory before leaving the area. Practice combos in a safe zone to learn frames and cooldowns, and adjust keybinds for smoother execution. If you fail to obtain the art, don't panic. Reevaluate spawn timers, switch to different servers, and avoid overcrowded lobbies. One key troubleshooting tip: clear temporary inventory limits and relog before the next spawn to prevent desync that blocks pickups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.